English 2, Mónica Alejandra Pesca Saavedra. Presentation. My name is Mónica Alejandra Pesca. I am 24 years old and live in Sogamoso, Boyacá. I am studying at the UNAD. I am currently enrolled in the second semester of foreign languages. I am a responsible woman and with many dreams to fulfill. I also consider myself sincere and honest. I have 3 brothers and 4 nephews. I currently work in a travel agency and I divided my time between work and university. I like to practice sport and share time with my family. I am a travel lover and I really enjoy doing it with my family and friends. I don't like to work on Sunday since I share them with my family. My favorite book is In the Blood of Champions. Birthday. Among my favorite celebrations are birthday parties. We usually meet with the whole family and share a dinner. We love to eat cake and love at work experience. My nephews love discovering gifts. My parents like food, and my brothers love tales and memories. I love sharing those dates with my family and friends. My older brother is in charge of putting the music and the sister loves taking the pictures and I will take care of decoration. My family is very fun. They dance and they enjoy every celebration. In every party I like to dress formally. I usually use dress, blazer and heels. Housework. Normally we divide the house. I take care of fixing the room and the curtains. My mom always takes care of the kitchen and my brothers organize it. I often pick up the plates and shake the place. I also clean the windows and shade the curtains. We usually do those tasks on weekends. My brother loves to listen to music and always view food when are finished. Hobbies. I like listening to romantic music. My favorite artist is Ray. Actually, I see a series called The Sea. I like to go romantic music concerts. Every month I go to the movies to watch horror movies. I am reading a book called Champions Blood. In my work, I like to read many magazines about tourist cities. I currently see a novel called The Love of the Heart. On Sundays, I see a program called The Seventh Day. Every day, I listen to music before going to work. Clothes. The seasons of the year are four. In the spring, I wear the shirts and shorts. My family usually wears sweatshirts and short seatbelt shirts. In the season, we leave the heavy clothes aside. In summer, I use very thin clothes. I love to wear short dress and high sandals. We also take advantage of opportunity to go to the pool and wear a bathing suit. In the autumn, I use more warm clothes. I like to wear jackets or sweaters and long pants. My mom uses long sleeves and closed shoes. And my winter we use coats, gloves and hats. And my sister uses scarves. Thank you.